Hello students, myself Abhijit Deshmukh and I had completed my aeronautical engineering in avionics stream. So today we'll be starting with the next part of our logic gates. Okay. So now, what all thing we'll be seeing in today's topic? Today's topic we'll be seeing a universal gate called as what? NOR gate with its symbol, truth table and its boolean expression. Okay. So let us start. Let us start with this. NOR gate. Now, generally, this what is this NOR gate? NOR gate is nothing but it is the gate which consists of what? First OR gate, okay, which is been followed by NOT gate. OR gate followed by NOT gate. This is what A. This is something called as what B, and here we will be having some output called as what Y. So this Y will be equal to what? See, what is the output of this one? Yes, what is the output of this NOR OR gate? As we seen earlier, boolean expression is what? A plus B, if I am not wrong, है ना? A plus B. So now what I will be having now here, output will be what? A plus B whole bar. Why? Because single input has been given to it, and whatever input given to the NOT gate, what it will do, it will just invert it. It means what? It will just create a bar on it. So what is the boolean expression for this? A plus B whole bar. A plus B whole bar. Okay. So now, so what is this NOR gate? NOR gate is that gate which in which OR gate is been followed by NOT gate. OR gate is been followed by NOT gate. Okay. Now this NOR gate will generally produce what? Now, okay, fine. Well, what we'll be doing now in this case, with the help of this truth table and diagram symbol. See, this is the basic symbol of the NOR gate. Okay, this one is the basic symbol of the NOR gate. Okay, now in this NOR gate, what all input we are having, we'll be just seeing it. See, now in this symbol or this bubble will represent what? NOT gate, and this bubble will represent what? NOT gate, and this complete what you can say figure, this gate will represent which gate? OR gate. Okay, as shown over here. So what are the input present over here? Input will be what? Say A and B. So what is an output for this case? A plus B whole bar. Okay, so now let us see how this truth table has been formed. So now here it is what? Input A, B. Okay, what is the next input? A plus B, and what is the extreme output? A plus B whole bar. Am I right? A plus B whole bar. So let us start. So first condition is what? In this case it is 0 0. When we are providing here 0 input, low logic, what will happen to this? uh, for an OR gate, 0 plus B, 0 plus 0 is what? It is 0. And what is a bar of 0? Output will be 1 as shown over here. Okay. Now if I go for the logic gate 0 and 1, 0 and 1, if I go for this logic gate 0 and 1, then what will happen? See, in this case 0 and 1, if it is 0 and 1, what is the logic of the OR gate? Yes, 0 plus 1 is what? 1. And what is inverse of 1? It is what? 0 in this case. Okay, so here we are get what? 0 again. So again 1 comma 0. So if I replace this, it is what? Say 1 comma 0. If I 1 comma 0 is an input given to it, what is the output of it? Output of the OR gate. See, this table is generally what? As I told you earlier, it is what? A, B. Here it would be what? A plus B, and this complete gate is followed by what? NOT gate. So we have shown this complete truth table for it. Okay. Now what happened in this case? 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0 is what? 1 again. Okay, if it is 1, then automatically output will be what? 0. Am I right? Again now here 1 and 1. Okay, 1 and 1. See this? 1 and 1. Now 1 plus 1 is what? Again it is 1. And now output of 1 is what? Or inverse of 1 is what again? 0. So what output we have got again here? See, check out, last 3 0 and first one is what, 1. Okay, so this is how we are finding out the output of the NOT gate. Okay, now next, what all points is to be remember in this NOT gate? See, when both the inputs are high, check this very carefully, when both the inputs are high, okay, or when both the inputs are low, in this case we are talking about when both the inputs are low, NOR gate will produce which output? High output. See over here, NOR gate will produce what? High output. Now next, if any of the input is high, then logic gate, if any of the input is high logic, then the NOR gate will produce which output? Low output. See here, any of the input is high, what is happening? Logic is produced over here what? As a low logic. Is it clear to you? Fine. Okay, so with this we'll end up today's lecture, and thank you students for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. You will certainly like, share and subscribe our channel.